In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an infographic with Chatgpt-4o. The process is quite simple, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure your experience is smooth and your final product is both informative and visually engaging. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open ChatGPT. Once you've got ChatGPT up and running, the next thing you need to do is start a new chat. This ensures you have a fresh session that's free from distractions, and it's ready to tackle the task of creating an infographic. Next, it's time to define the goal of your infographic. Take a moment to think about what message you're aiming to convey, who your target audience is, and what you wish to achieve with this visual piece. Clearly outlining your goal will set a solid foundation for the infographic and make all the following steps more effective and coherent. With the goal in mind, you'll want to ask ChatGPT to help you come up with structured sections for your infographic. Think about it as creating an outline. For instance, if your infographic is about the benefits of renewable energy, you might consider sections like types of renewable energy, environmental impact, or future trends. Having well-defined sections will help organize the content logically and make it easy for your audience to follow. Now that you've got a structure in place, it's time to ask ChatGPT to generate visual elements. Though the tool is text-based, it can suggest images or styles that suit each section of your infographic. It can offer guidance on color schemes, icons, or even layout suggestions that align with the theme you've chosen. These visual elements are critical in converting complex information into easily digestible formats. Following this, you'll need concise, design-ready text for each section. This step is crucial because, in an infographic, every word counts. Too much text can overwhelm and defeat the purpose of using visuals to convey information. Ask ChatGPT for help in crafting short, impactful statements or data points that communicate your message effectively. If something isn't quite clear or if you need more detail, don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions. ChatGPT can provide additional information or clarification, helping you fine-tune the content until it meets your needs. Lastly, consider creating variations of your infographic. This could mean tweaking the design, trying out different headlines, or altering the color scheme. Variations can help you see what resonates most with your audience and can be adapted for different platforms or uses. And there you have it, an easy, efficient way to create an infographic with the help of Chatgpt-4o. By following these steps, you can turn your ideas into visually appealing and informative infographics that can engage and educate your audience effectively. Hopefully, this guide has been helpful, and you're now ready to start creating amazing infographics. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you experiment with ChatGPT, the better you'll be at leveraging its capabilities for your creative projects.